This method is arguably the top way to earn money on YouTube, yet it remains relatively unknown to many. Recently, more channels have emerged utilizing this approach, which involves starting a video review channel. In these videos, you discuss the best products to purchase in specific categories, ranging from cell phones and laptops to air filters and blenders. By including affiliate links in the description, you can earn commissions when viewers click on those links and make purchases. Numerous channels have already made substantial profits using this strategy, without showing their face or speaking. By following a step-by-step formula, you can create your own profitable video review channel. The first step is to decide which types of products you want to review, focusing on high-ticket items to maximize your earnings. While having a dedicated niche is important for traditional YouTube channels, it's not necessary for this strategy since your videos target people researching products and ready to make purchases. To ensure your videos reach the right audience, you need the right tools. One recommended tool is the vidIQ browser extension, which helps with keyword research and trend analysis. By analyzing trending videos and popular keywords, you can generate ideas and identify topics that have high search volume. Once you have the ideas, you'll need video editing software, such as iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro. Using online resources like Creative Commons licensed videos or capturing footage from product websites, you can gather visuals for your video. Additionally, you can use AI-generated voiceovers to create a script quickly. Finally, adding music to your video can enhance its appeal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.